The Culinary Institute of America at Copia, in collaboration with Butter of Europe, is pleased to bring you Baking and Pastry Excellence, a free online educational series featuring the best in world baking and pastry. Today, Chef Barbara Alexander will be dressing up classic ice cream sandwiches using walnut butter cookies with brown butter ice cream and an optional butterscotch sauce. Let's watch.
Put all ingredients into a small, heavy sauce pot. Whisk over high heat until all lumps are gone and everything is incorporated. Remove from the heat and add the Scotch whiskey. Brown the butter slowly in a heavy saucepan, whisking occasionally to bring up the small brown bits from the bottom. When it is a beautiful nutty brown, remove it to a small bowl and allow it to cool completely. Scald the heavy cream, milk, and vanilla in a heavy saucepan. Prepare an ice bath with a clean, medium-sized bowl. In another medium bowl, combine the brown butter and brown sugar, stirring very well until it's beautifully creamed. Add the egg yolks and whisk to combine. Add the nutmeg. Slowly pour the hot cream into the brown butter egg mixture. Transfer the mixture back to the saucepan and cook until it coats the back of a spoon and registers 180 degrees Fahrenheit on a thermometer. Immediately pour this mixture through a strainer into the ice bath. Remove the strainer and stir until cool. Wrap with plastic wrap and refrigerate until very cold. Transfer to an ice cream maker and churn according to manufacturer's instructions until frozen. Set the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, cornstarch, salt, and cinnamon. Split the vanilla bean in half and scrape the seeds. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, cream the butter, vanilla, and brown sugar until fluffy. Add the flour mixture and mix on low speed until the mixture is a smooth dough. Add the walnuts. Roll into a log and refrigerate. When very firm, cut even quarter-inch slices. They take about 12 minutes in the oven, and you're going to pull them out when they're golden brown and firm to the touch. To assemble the ice cream sandwiches, take 2 cookies and sandwich a scoop of the Beurre Noisette brown butter ice cream between them. Serve a side of the true butterscotch sauce for dipping.
Watch more baking and pastry videos at ciaprochef.com/butter.